I got Eastern Tramp Frame 09. It's really light. It's a 20.5 top tube. Got dropouts here, or cutouts, and some right here. Not the biggest, but it's still good and light. I got Demolition metal bar ends. Always get metal bar ends. Those hold up a lot. They've taken a big beating though. I got Odyssey grips. These bars actually came stock on my Fuse 309. It's a Specialized. Those aren't that good. I got Odyssey model lever. Got Snafu upper cables. I got, this came from a Walmart bike. It works good, it's light. I got FSA impact headset. Snafu Modus detangler in red. Snafu bomb cables pulling the Tetra brakes. And Odyssey clear brake pads. Do not get these. One's broken already. It's on the other side though. Also got stock forks that came on that bike. I actually bought both the rims off Dance Comp for like $200. They came on the TRL Signature 09. They're really good, I guess. They're stock tires. The back one's worn the shit. Odyssey Twisted, PC pedals, clear. They're okay. Got those stock cranks, heavy, but they'll last. Demolition bomb bracket. And then over here, I have a, this also came stock, but it's really light. I like it a lot. Got KMC chain, not to that half-link shit. That's just stupid as hell. I got McNeil seat and McNeil post. It only goes down to like here. It's really short. Then this is just a bolt and a nut for the seat clamp. And then I got these silver brake caps with Walmart tubes. Those are good. That's the shit right there, man. So, yeah, it's my bike. It's about 24 pounds, I guess. It's actually kind of good. Also got this Diamondback sticker. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, so that's my bike. Maybe make other bike trips when I get new parts. Hopefully I get some new ones soon. So yeah, that's my bike.